On the 10th day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip, searching on the iPad.
In today's tip, we're going to look at how you can search on the iPad, particularly using the Photos app, and how you can search for different locations, different objects within your Photos library.
Now, the easiest way to search is by bringing up Spotlight on your iPad. Now, you do that by finding a space on the iPad in the middle and swiping down, and there is our search bar. We have the microphone, so we can search by dictation, or we can just search for apps. So if I wanted to find the clock app, I type in clock, and there is the clock app. But notice what it also does, it actually suggests many other things. It's got a dictionary, we can show more, and then that will open up more information. It will also look at where clock is used in other documents on your iPad. So let's search for something else. Let's search for 12 tips. So there we go. It's searched for the 12 tips. So it's found the folder with all my tips, and I can tap on that. It's going to open up the folder. I can look in the App Store there. I can search on Maps, and it's looked at suggestions on Safari as well. Let's also try BBC. So it's found the BBC website. It's also found a note that I've done in a previous tip. I can also show more results, and it will find other photos and articles where the BBC is mentioned. We're now going to look at the Photos app. So this is my Photos app. Now, I wanted to show you this because I have over 65,000 photographs and videos on my iPad, so it's a good demonstration of the capabilities of what search can do on the iPad. So as you can see here, I've got moments of all the photos that I've taken. I've got people, so I can set up facial recognition where it will recognize people within my photo library. I've also got places, so if I want to see all the photos that I took in Singapore, I can tap on that and it will show me all the photos that I took on Singapore. And then I've got categories as well, food, art, babies, etc. And then I've got groups. On the left-hand side here, you've got that opportunity to look at different types of media. So I've got videos, so I can sort my photos by video, selfies, live photo, portrait, all of those elements on the side there. This is very useful if you want to find specific photos in your library. What it will also do is find things within your library. If I type in the search bar, microphone, this will find I've got 296 photos where there is a microphone in either my photographs or videos. So I can do this with other things as well. So if I want to look at all my photos of Essex, I can see this is where I used to live. So this is where I've got 9,000 photos. Notice here, it also says text found in photos. So if the word Essex is found in your photos, it will highlight what photos they are. So I can see I've got 112 photos with the word Essex in them. This is a very powerful tool. It uses artificial intelligence to do the facial recognition, and it uses any GPS coordinates to actually do the location. So if you've taken a photograph with a device that has GPS location, it will then log the location of that photograph. So that's searching for different things on the iPad.
In tomorrow's tip, we're going to look at how you can organize space on your iPad. So clearing down some of your photos and videos in order to free up space on your iPad.